In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a registration form with essential fields and connect it to your members app. This will help streamline the registration process for your users and ensure that their information is securely stored and easily accessible. Let's get started by creating a new form. Open your website builder and navigate to the form section. Here we'll add a new form onto your web page, usually by clicking a button that says Add Form or something similar. Once the form is placed on your page, you'll see a blank outline that we will start filling with the necessary fields. The first field we're going to add is the name field. This allows users to input their full name, making it easier to personalize and manage their profiles. In the form editor, select the option to Add field and choose the type text or name, depending on what your builder offers. Label it clearly as name so users know exactly what to fill in. You can also decide if you want this field to be mandatory by checking the required option. Next, we need to add the email field, which is critical not just for communication, but also as a unique identifier for each member. Follow the same process to add a new field, this time selecting email from the list of field types. Again, label it clearly as email and ensure that it is set to required, as an email address is essential for creating accounts and for password recovery. Let's move on to adding the password field. This is where users will create their password to secure their account. In the field options, choose password as the field type. Password fields often have extra settings such as minimum length or complexity requirements. These settings help ensure that users create strong passwords that help protect their accounts. Clearly label this field as password and make it mandatory to proceed. With all the fields in place, it's now time to connect this registration form to your members app. This step links the information filled by users directly to your member database, enabling efficient management and retrieval. Locate the integration option, which might be phrased as Connect to Members app or Integrations. Click on it to begin the connection process. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. This usually involves selecting your members app from a list and clicking Connect. After authorization, ensure that each form field corresponds correctly to the fields in your members app. This sync ensures user data is correctly mapped and stored. And there you have it, a fully functional registration form that's integrated with your members app. This setup is crucial for a seamless user experience and